Has she grown cold towards you? Is she taking longer to reply and no longer showing the same interest as in the beginning? Before you break down or lose your temper, you need to understand one secret. Coldness doesn't mean the end. It only means one thing. Your value has dropped, or the challenge has disappeared. The magic solution isn't to pressure her more, but to turn the tables and completely change the dynamic. Here is how to reignite her interest and make her the one chasing you. First, stop the chase immediately. If you are always the one initiating the conversation and pursuing her with messages and calls, she will feel that you are guaranteed and always in her pocket. Gradually reduce this communication to give her the space to feel your absence. Second, dive back into your own life. Focus on your work, your friends, and your hobbies. When she sees that your world doesn't revolve only around her and that your life is full and exciting, her curiosity will peak and she will be drawn to you once again. Third, break your typical communication pattern. Instead of the usual boring messages like, "How are you?" or "What are you doing?" use light, teasing, or unexpected conversation that creates a fresh and exciting feeling. Fourth and finally, never show neediness. Excessive emotional neediness is the ultimate attraction killer. Stay calm and confident, even if you notice her acting distant. Remember, the most important thing, when a woman feels that you are no longer as constantly available as before, her curiosity kicks in and her interest in coming back to you gradually increases.